Are you experiencing overheating on your iPhone while updating? This can occur due to several factors like excessive background processes, heavy app usage, or software-related issues. Don't worry, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Before you start, turn off the reduce motion feature. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Motion. Turn off the reduce motion feature. Many people don't realize this, but the reduce motion setting can sometimes lead to overheating. Now, let's follow the main guide to fix overheating issues on your iPhone. Solution 1. Check for intensive background processes. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Battery. Tap on Battery Usage to check if any apps are using excessive power. If you notice any apps consuming a high amount of power, first close them by swiping up from the bottom and swiping away the app. You can also offload apps by following these steps. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Select the app, then tap Offload App. Solution 2. Disable Background App Refresh. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. Choose Off to prevent apps from refreshing in the background, reducing battery load and helping cool down your battery. Solution 3. Enable Low Power Mode. Low Power Mode reduces the amount of power your iPhone uses, which can help cool down the battery. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap on Battery, toggle on Low Power Mode. This temporarily reduces performance and some features, but it can help prevent your battery from overheating. Solution 4. Update iOS to the latest versions. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap on General, tap Software Update and check if an update is available. If an update is available, install it. Updates often include bug fixes and optimizations that help prevent overheating issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your iPhone overheating during updates. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.